Welcome, wealth builders, legacy makers and curious minds. Today, we're diving into a cornerstone of generational wealth planning, the Irrevocable Trust. Now, I know what you're thinking. Irrevocable? That sounds intense. Is this a lecture or a legal horror movie? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll feel like the star of your own financial epic. Whether you're just starting out or already have a basic trust, this guide will take you from beginner to pro. We'll cover what an irrevocable trust is, how it works, the juicy cost-benefit breakdown, step-by-step instructions to set one up, pro-level strategies for maximizing its potential, and yes, there will be a sprinkle of humor because let's face it, talking about trusts can feel like trying to read a foreign language. Before we jump in, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone who dreams of leaving a legacy. Let's make financial literacy go viral. Okay, so what exactly is an irrevocable trust? Picture a vault. Once you put your valuables inside and lock it, you can't just waltz back in and take them out. An irrevocable trust is a legal arrangement where you transfer assets into a trust, and a trustee manages them for the benefit of your chosen beneficiaries. And here's the kicker. Once the assets are in the trust, you give up direct control over them. Why on earth would I do that, you ask? Great question. The answer lies in the benefits. Asset protection shields your wealth from creditors, lawsuits, and even certain taxes. Tax efficiency reduces your taxable estate, potentially saving your heirs a fortune. Generational wealth building ensures your money grows and supports your family for decades. It's like planting a money tree that blooms for generations. But like any financial tool, it's not without its costs and limitations. Which brings us to the next segment. Let's break this down. What's the price tag of an irrevocable trust and is it worth it? Costs, legal fees. Setting up a trust can cost anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000. Administration costs, annual fees for trustees, especially if you hire a professional. Loss of control. Once assets are in, they're out of your hands, so choose wisely. Benefits: estate tax savings for high net worth families. This can save millions. Creditor protection. Your assets are off limits to lawsuits or bankruptcy claims. Generational longevity ensures your wealth doesn't vanish after one generation. Here's a quick analogy. Imagine buying a bulletproof safe for your gold. Sure, it's pricey, but the peace of mind and long-term security, priceless. Now that you're sold on the idea, let's talk about how to set up an irrevocable trust. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to financial immortality. Define your goals. Why do you want a trust? Asset protection, tax benefits, a mix. Choose a trustee. This can be a trusted family member or a professional fiduciary. Select beneficiaries, decide who gets what and when. Fund the trust. Transfer assets like cash, stocks, real estate, or even life insurance policies into the trust. Draft the trust document. Work with an estate attorney to outline the trust's terms, including distribution rules and contingencies. Finalize and fund. Sign the documents and officially transfer assets into the trust. Pro tip: make sure to communicate with your beneficiaries. Surprises are fun for birthdays, not for inheritances. Ready to level up? Here are some advanced strategies to get the most out of your irrevocable trust. Life insurance trusts. Use an irrevocable life insurance trust, ILIT, to pass on tax-free life insurance benefits. Dynasty trusts. These can last for generations, ensuring your family's wealth grows indefinitely. Charitable giving. Include philanthropic goals to reduce tax liabilities while giving back to the community. Asset diversification. Fund the trust with a mix of assets, from stocks to real estate, to create a resilient portfolio. Family bank concept. Allow beneficiaries to borrow from the trust for approved purposes like education or starting a business. The idea is to make your trust a living, breathing ecosystem that supports your family for generations. Even the best plans can go sideways. Here are some common mistakes and how to dodge them. Choosing the wrong trustee. Pick someone competent and trustworthy. Underfunding the trust. Don't set it up and forget to transfer assets into it. Neglecting updates. Your trust should evolve with changes in family dynamics or tax laws. Avoid these pitfalls and your trust will stand the test of time. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about irrevocable trusts, from beginner basics to pro strategies. Remember, building generational wealth isn't just about accumulating money. It's about creating opportunities and security for your family for years to come. If this video gave you some aha moments, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Finally, drop a comment below. What's your #1 goal for your family's legacy? Let's start a conversation about building a better future. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay wealthy, stay wise, and stay legendary.